Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video in my channel. I am pretty sure that almost everybody have eaten a bamboo shoots. In this episode, we will be cooking this ingredient with pork meat. Just stay back and watch how it is done. Do you know that a raw bamboo shoots contain cyanogenic glycosides? It is a natural toxin also found in cassava. To get rid of this, we have to pre-boil it for some minutes and discard the water used for boiling. In this recipe, I didn't add any oil. The pork fat serves its purpose. Ilagyan ako ng post. Huwag mo ulit para madali mag-ilagay ng caption. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are always updated with my new videos. If you don't have any oyster sauce on hand, you can make use of fish sauce but need to reduce the measures of salt. An ASUETE mixture is just a combination of ASUETE powder and water. So here now is a recipe, sauteed bamboo shoots or ginisang labong. Hope you learned something new in this episode. Thank you so much for all your support. Have a great day mga ka-friends. Stay safe and healthy wherever you are. God bless us all. Bye!